Now let's go for the next lecture, and that is going to be data type in Python. Okay, let's create a new file. Okay, I also can create it like this, and let's use data type.py. Okay, in Python or in a programming language, data type is an important concept. Okay, variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. Okay, so let's go and see those all things. Okay, let me clear this, and here one of those types are text type. Okay, text type is str or string. We call it a string. Okay, it is a text type. Okay, so I will tell you later with a little more example. So the next part, or the second one, is numeric types. Numeric types is like integer, okay, like float, like complex. And the next part is sequence type. This sequence type is like list, and also we have tuple, and we have range. And sorry, we have mapping type. Mapping type is like dictionary. Okay, and we have boolean. Boolean is like true and false and something like that. And also we have binary and a lot of things. And I think right now this is enough for now, because through the course we are going to use these things a lot. Okay, so here we have a built-in function. You may ask, what is function? So don't ask it right now, because later I will explain it what is a function. Now just listen what I'm saying. Okay, we have a built-in function that is called type. Okay, if you give something or name of a variable to this type function, it will print type of that for you. So let's comment this. Also, you may ask, what is comment? Don't be worried. Comment is something, or is something that is not going to be executed while we are running the program. Now let's see. Here we have x, it is equal to 12. Okay, now let's print type of this x. Print is also a built-in function. Okay, a function that is already provided with Python. Now let's use type of this x and save it. And right here use Python, and then data type. Okay, we have data type. Okay, dot py. Cannot open file A or directory. Okay, we are into the Python basics. Oh my god, here is one thing that I have to tell you, and that is this one. Okay, while I created this file that is out of the Python basics, and I cannot run it. Okay, so let's move it into the file. Move, yes, move it. Now it is here inside the file, and now if I execute this again, it will run it. Okay, now you see it's telling me that it is integer. Okay, this is integer. What if I change it to, okay, let's start with this. I want to change it to string. It's going to be like hello world. Okay, now let's run it, and you see it's giving me str. That means it is string. And also, how about float? Let's go with float. Okay, this is a float type. Okay, and also we have complex, list, dictionary, booleans. Let's go with booleans. Okay, like true. Okay, and it's giving me bool, means boolean. Okay, so here you see what are the data types, some of the data types. Okay, and we are going to use it a lot through the course, and you will learn them through the course. Okay, so I will see you in the next lecture.